In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a Jira dashboard. This is really useful when you already have a dashboard layout that works well and you want to reuse it for another team, project, or personal view without rebuilding everything from scratch. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end you'll know exactly how to create a copy of any existing dashboard you can access. First, make sure you're logged into your Jira instance and that you're on the main screen. On the left-hand side of the page, you'll see a vertical navigation bar. Look for the option labeled Dashboards. Go ahead and click on that. This will open the Dashboards area where you can see the dashboards you've recently viewed, any favorites, and others that are shared with you. Once you're in the Dashboard section, you'll need to choose the dashboard you want to copy. You might see a list of dashboards, or you may be taken directly to your default one. If you're not already on the correct dashboard, use the list or search bar at the top to locate it. Then click the name of that dashboard to open it. Give it a second to load so all the gadgets and filters appear correctly. With the dashboard open, move your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You should see an icon with 3 vertical dots, sometimes called the More Options menu. This is where Jira hides a lot of the dashboard actions. Click on those 3 dots to reveal a small drop-down menu. In that menu, you'll see several options related to managing the dashboard. Look for the option labeled Copy and click on it. This tells Jira that you want to duplicate the current dashboard, including its layout and gadgets. After you click Copy, Jira will create a new dashboard based on the original one. Usually, you'll be prompted to adjust details like the dashboard name, description, and sharing or permission settings. This is a great moment to rename it to something clear, such as adding copy or the name of the new team or project you're creating it for. You can also update who can view or edit this copied dashboard, depending on your access level and your organization settings. Once you confirm those